Hey, Dragon Lady, Father, Pope, Boreka, Mish, we're back. And no one's noticed me hop on, which is good. Because I didn't want to be noticed.
You could also like use
Lillian.
yeah, no.
Okay,
use
this is so glitchy. I'm on 30 FPS. Bro, 29, 30. I am not good.
40, 45, 50, 55, 60.
Slash kill. What does... Ah, okay, I figured out what slash kill does. Can I just kill anyone? Can I go slash kill this person and they kill?
Slash kill.
Scarlet overkill.
Killing your
Hang
slave.
on,
Why are you killing your slave?
I'm helping-
Who's your slave?
Don't.
Who's your slave?
I found it.
They corrected.
I found the name for it.
Yeah, but like you're spelled wrong.
Oh yes, and I found out thanks to someone on my YouTube channel that actually watches daily for some reason. Yeah, I forgot the name. I'm very forgetful.
No way, you forgot your fan.
Hang on, let me check. Let me check. I'll just go to YouTube right now. Let's go, Brewskis. Oh no, you cannot see my stuff. Please don't.
Oh no.
Okay.
Oh, no.
There'll be random stuff on here. Just ignore it.
Toothless dance.
Ignore.
Ignore. Okay, where is it? Not what is this? Not that. Where is it, bro? Videos. Lotor.
Imagine watching your own video.
I
watch
don't.
I watch my own videos, but like mainly so I can like consider taking it down. Like, this is too cringe. Bye.
Nah, I won't take my stuff down, whether it's cringe or not.
Yeah, but
I can't find it. What is this? Is it? Oh no, I can't even see. Hang on. Wait. Yeah, Mr. Cron. I think
I think we'll get copyrighted for like just making tunes that are most likely copyrighted.
Stop making copyrighted sounds then. Mario?
It's a me, a Mario. Oh,
Yahoo!
wow.
We're so getting copyrighted. Cry about it. How do I...
Do I just continue trying to sketch some of the things, or do I just
That. Oh, that's right. We get smooth granite and then we get engraved. Except I need more granite. Are you gonna join, Father?
what?
The same thing I joined yesterday.
I mean,
1 million.
Or I can do this. Super mining active. We go X Games mode.
okay, it's painting time.
Oh, have fun with that.
Painting time.
I actually need to organize my chests, but I want to make a better chest room before I do anything.
Would you like?
Oh yes. No, thank you. I'm good, Father. Dry fat cactus.
I'm gonna be so for real. I think I hate this. I think I hate it now.
It's beautiful. I love
I
it.
hate it.
Is the one
Yeah. How do I fix this?
white
Why?
and black. Just add spots and patterns everywhere.
Okay.
Which one? My boy. My son.
Yes.
Which one?
1 block. 1. Lobby 1. Your father and Papa joined. Woo. Okay. We're gonna go like this. Yes, I reckon. We'll go out a bit though. Like this. Yeah.
What's your island called?
World domination.
Metish 1. Literally what it's called.
The audio quality is gonna be great with the hair dryers on the back.
Heck yeah.
My island. You lied to me.
What?
What?
Would you?
What?
You lied, Father.
Are you stuck in my island?
Reach your portal before using the okay.
Okay, guys. I'm looking on Pinterest.
That looks good. Yeah, I'll fix that up later. It could look better.
Messy storm.
But in the meantime, right. Zoom it. Zoom it. All I hear from people in the background. Don't zoom it. Empty bottle. This has potential. No, it doesn't. Get over it.
Is this the first time the Scarlet Lady is on the channel?